Namaskar, India Meteorological Department IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 4th February 2023. So, if we look at today's highlights, we have written here that mainly dry weather likely to prevail over the country during next 5 days, except some isolated to scattered activity over western region during next 5 days, and scattered to fairly widespread activity over Arunachal Pradesh and isolated to scattered activity over South Peninsular India. So this is about the today's highlights. Now let us look at yesterday's realized weather. So yesterday, under the influence of Belmark low pressure area, heavy rainfall occurred at isolated places over Tamil Nadu and light rainfall at a few places over Andaman Islands, Kerala, and Lakshadweep. Other than this, isolated snowfall also realized under the influence of western disturbance over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Other than this, mainly dry weather prevailed over most parts of the country. As regards quantitative values of the rainfall, so 7 to 10 centimeter rainfall recorded at one or two stations in Tamil Nadu. And if we look at the minimum temperature scenario, so they are in the range of 7 to 10 degrees Celsius over most parts of the North India, that is Northwest, Central, and East India. And today, lowest minimum temperature recorded of the order of 5.1 degrees Celsius over Umaria in eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh. As regards fog conditions, they were prevailed at one or two stations over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Sub-Saharan West Bengal, and Sikkim, and also uh, if we look at the cold wave conditions, so cold wave conditions prevailed at one or two stations over eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha today. So this is the realized weather. Now let us look at today's synoptic system. So we are having one western disturbance and another low pressure area over Comorin and neighborhood. So yesterday it was Belmark low pressure area. Now it is Comorin. It is a low pressure area over Comorin region. So this is synoptic systems prevailing today. And now let us look at the color coded format of the warning. So first we will see that thunderstorm activity is expected over South Peninsular India, especially over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Lakshadweep during the next 24 hours under the influence of low pressure area and its remnant. And as regards fog conditions over northern parts of the country, so they are expected at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Southern and West Bengal, Sikkim, western and southern parts of Assam, Mizoram, and Tripura during night hours of today and morning hours of tomorrow. And as regards cold wave conditions, so cold wave conditions are expected at one or two stations tomorrow morning over eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, and Odisha. So this is all about today's weather warnings. If we look at temperature, minimum temperature forecast, so as regards northwest India, where minimum temperatures are expected to rise by about 2 degrees Celsius during next 3 days, that is by 7th of February, and no significant change thereafter. And if we see the central India, so minimum temperatures are very likely uh, to prevail in no significant category till 5th of February, and followed by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius rise during subsequent 3 days and fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. If we look at the scenario of minimum temperature over eastern parts of the country, so no significant change in minimum temperature, very likely over many parts of East India till 6th of February, and rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius for subsequent 3 days. So this is all about today's weather warnings. If we look at fisherman warnings, so they have been issued squally weather 40 to 45 western to 55 kmph over Comorin and adjoining Maldives area. Otherwise, no significant fisherman warning has been issued for any parts of the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and east and west coast. So this is all about today's weather briefing from IMD. Kindly visit our different mode of communications like mosam.imd.gov.in, our website, and Facebook and Twitter pages for updated information. So this is all about today's briefing. We will discuss again with updated information tomorrow. Till then, namaskar.